Meet the 2026 Toyota Granvia Westfalia Explorer 420, where design meets destiny. That front fascia? Aggressive, futuristic, unmistakably premium. These adaptive LED headlights don't just light the road, they command it. Every curve is engineered for airflow efficiency and performance. Long, sleek, and bold, this side profile screams luxury mobility. Precision-cut alloys that combine style with stability. Touchless smart doors, because convenience should feel magical. Welcome to your luxury apartment on wheels. Executive captain seats, designed for ultimate comfort. Custom ambient lighting, set the mood your way. Panoramic windows for endless views on every journey. Turn your van into a luxury bedroom in seconds. Cook anywhere, because adventure doesn't pause for hunger. Smart storage for a clutter-free life on the road. A cockpit built for the future. Entertainment and control right at your fingertips. Just speak, your van listens. Lights on. Perfect temperature, no matter the destination. Immersive audio that turns every drive into a concert. Advanced safety that watches every angle. See everything, miss nothing. Let the van handle the journey. Movie nights on the road. Work from anywhere. Luxury, even where you least expect it. This compact bathroom has a full shower, toilet, and sink. Harness the power of the sun. Smart roof design for extra space. Adventure ready? Anytime. Long drive? Just lean back and relax like first class. Feel nothing but comfort. Go further, spend less. The dashboard shows 28.2 miles per gallon and a 710-mile range. Built your way. Phone connects instantly. Always connected. Wake up to freedom. Your peaceful retreat. Go further, spend less. Our advanced dashboard shows 22 combined DPD in a 650-mile range. Power meets precision.